This technology is printing money.
And it's creating new, middle-aged African-American female millionaires faster than anything.
To 2025, the year AI minted over 50 new billionaires.
Many right here in the USA.
The goal is to build copilots that truly understand intent.
Exactly. It's about augmenting human capability, allowing developers to move faster and more efficiently.
We need to adjust the parameters right here.
Mayor, what if we route the data through this module instead?
Yes, we've done it. It's stable now.
With AI in 2026, from solopreneurs to small teams.
"2025 was insane for AI wealth.
Virgil and sloppy vows. Forbes reported AI created more than 50 new young male billionaires.
Way more than the internet did in its early days.
This acquisition will solidify our position in the Southeast Asian market.
I've reviewed the data, and I concur. We have a deal.
Cheers, everyone! We finally did it! This is unbelievable. To the team.
Look at this growth. Since we implemented the new cursor interface, engagement is up 40%.
That is incredible. Well done.
We hit the 5 billion mark.
Absolutely incredible. Well done, team.
Agentic AI and autonomous businesses.
The biggest shift in 2026? Agentic AI.
This restructuring will optimize our logistics significantly, reducing overhead by 15%.
That action.
This creates million-dollar solo businesses.
Real talk. Diverse groups of young people are building AI CEOs. The metrics on the Europe Northeast corridor are spiking.
Reroute the traffic through the auxiliary server immediately.
Scale to 10K a month fast, then 50K plus, then 6 figures recurring.
This is the core of our AI offering.
Delivering unparalleled growth potential in the sector.
From leveraging side hustles to making smart investments, Americans are finding new ways to boost their income and secure their financial future.
This visualization confirms the efficiency gains in the new model.
Yes, and the peripheral clusters are stabilizing faster than projected.
Let's push this update.
Automate SEO, content, and social for businesses. Start small. Pick a problem. Build with no code. We analyzed your current workflow. By implementing our system, we project a 30% increase in efficiency within the first quarter alone.
Investing in AI stocks and ecosystems.
Not entrepreneurial? Invest smart.
Or infrastructure could double or more in 2026.
Pro tip. Pro tip. Dollar cost average into AI leaders.
Patience turns thousands into millions.
Here's the realistic 2026 path for everyday Americans.
Phase 1. Start. Build a niched AI service.
Thousands of middle-aged Caucasian men are doing this quietly. You could be next.
Will you be the next AI millionaire? Which path excites you most?
Agentic businesses, products, investing? Comment below.
This tech is printing money. Go get yours.
Stay tuned, stay live, like, and subscribe.